In today's video, I will walk you through how to use graphs in CapCut PC. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. You can access CapCut on your computer by visiting the official CapCut website or opening the CapCut PC application directly. And inside the editor, you will find advanced animation tools like Keyframes and the Graph Editor that help create smoother and more professional motion effects. To begin, add your clip into the timeline and create a few keyframes for demonstration. Keyframes are used to mark changes in things like position, scale, rotation, or other visual properties over time. For example, you can place one keyframe at the start of the clip, then move further along the timeline and change the size or position of the video before adding another keyframe. Once you have at least two keyframes, CapCut will automatically animate the movement between them. At this stage, the motion may still look a bit mechanical or linear, which is where the Graph Editor becomes important. To open it quickly, use the keyboard shortcut Alt and K. Once the Graph Editor appears, expand the Scale section under the Transform controls, so you can see the motion curve connected to your keyframes. Select one of the keyframes and choose the Free Curve option to unlock manual graph editing controls. This allows you to shape the animation timing more precisely by adjusting the curve handles. By dragging the handles, you can control how quickly the motion accelerates or slows down between keyframes. Smoother curves usually create softer and more cinematic motion, while sharper curves can create faster and more energetic transitions, often used in edits, montages, or gaming content. Repeat the same process on the other keyframes if you want more control over the entire animation sequence. Small adjustments can make a very noticeable difference in how professional the final movement looks, so take a little time experimenting with the curves and previewing the results. After applying the graph settings, play back the animation and compare it to the original movement. You should notice the transitions feeling much smoother and more natural, instead of moving at one constant speed. And that is how you use graphs in CapCut PC to create smoother and more professional keyframe animations using custom curves and graph controls.